In the world of high-performance gaming motherboards, the ASUS ROG Strix Z890-I gaming Wi-Fi stands out. But does it truly deliver the ultimate gaming experience? Stick around to uncover some surprising drawbacks you might want to consider. The ASUS ROG Strix is a mini ITX motherboard designed for gamers seeking top-tier performance in a compact form factor. Its sleek design features a black PCB with subtle grid-like textures and an embossed ROG logo that emits a prism-like effect, exuding a premium aesthetic that complements any gaming setup. This motherboard is engineered to support Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, ensuring compatibility with cutting-edge CPUs. The robust 10+2+1+1 power stage design provides stable power delivery, essential for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the support for high-speed DDR5 memory up to 96GB allows for seamless multitasking and faster data access. One of the standout features is the inclusion of dual Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, offering versatile connectivity options for high-speed data transfers and peripheral connections. The integration of Wi-Fi 7 technology ensures faster wireless networking, reducing latency and providing a smoother online gaming experience. However, it's important to note that the mini ITX form factor inherently limits expansion capabilities. With only one PCIe 5.0x16 slot and two M.2 slots, users may find the upgrade path somewhat restricted compared to larger motherboards. In terms of cost, the ROG Strix gaming Wi-Fi is positioned at a premium price point, reflecting its high-end features and performance capabilities. For the latest pricing and potential discounts, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited expansion slots due to mini ITX size, premium price point, potential compatibility issues with older components. Pros: compact design ideal for small form factor builds, supports latest Intel Core Ultra processors, high-speed DDR5 memory support, dual Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, advanced Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. If you're seeking a compact yet powerful motherboard that supports the latest technologies, the ASUS ROG Strix gaming Wi-Fi is a compelling choice. For the latest offers, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video for more tech reviews.